How to make your Twitter likes private. Do you want to hide the tweets that you liked on Twitter? Here's what you should do. Open your Twitter account, go to your profile. As you can see, your likes are there, and these can be seen by the people who will visit your account and the people who followed you. Now, to hide it, go back to your settings, go to Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy and Safety, click Audience and Tagging. Then, turn on the Protect Your Tweets. And that's it. Your liked tweets and your tweets will now be in private. This won't literally hide your liked tweets entirely. So, if you really don't want people to know what tweets you liked, make another private Twitter account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.